What is up, everyone? This is Moturtles, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the d3dx9_43.dll error that you may be getting for certain games and applications. So let's get right into this. So all you need to do is basically copy paste that DLL error you're getting, just write it in Google to find any of these. There's a lot of DLL websites where you can essentially download the DLLs. Once you go there, click into the download section of it and just make sure you either download the 32-bit or the 64-bit, whatever it is for your specific computer. So it'll always say, so it'll be almost always the first two. Just download, again, whichever one is for you. Once you download it, open up a folder, go into local disk C. In here, go into Windows, and in here we're gonna basically find where it says system, or system, basically like right here, system 32, because in here this is where you're going to basically save that, or yeah, copy paste that specific file. So under system 32 you want to essentially paste all of your the specific DLL file for your specific architecture that you downloaded here, either here or within the system 32 section, right? So once you do that, you should be good to go, and you should not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please run up, go to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and I'm Moturtles out. Peace.